outspoken. He has been speaking against the crimes in the southeast, against the killing in the southeast. So he was arrested, and all those who were arrested like him have been released. But he's still been held in detention. So we are begging the Attorney General, the great Attorney General of Nigeria, we are begging you, sir, please, sir, we humbly come to you, sir, to beg you, sir, please. All we want is for judiciary to do the needful. He has been granted bail. Ijele has been granted bail. He has met all the bail conditions. Then why are they still holding him? Please, you can video so that everybody will show that you are at the office of the Federal Ministry of Justice. You can see it there. This is Federal Ministry of Justice, where we can get justice. So, there's somebody there. Please go there. Close. I'll video them. So we are here to do peaceful, to appeal to the great Attorney General, who is also a member of my party. Don't cover him. It's only the Federal Ministry of Justice. The Attorney General is a member of my party. I don't think there's anyone in APC that does not know this place. So I'm a strong member of APC. Ijele is also a strong member of APC. He has been held hostage since 7 months. He's very sick. He's on dialysis. You know what dialysis killed him? The daughter has been crying to me since all this while. That why am I quiet? That his daddy is dying. I'm quiet. I cannot stay again. So I don't have money to fight anybody, but I have my God and I have my party. I have Jagaban, whom I voted for. This is my finger for Jagaban, which I have proof that I voted for Jagaban. So we are here today to beg the Attorney General of Nigeria, please, Attorney General, please, look into this matter. Our lawyer Ishi, Chief Femi Falana, he's told me that this is an abuse of court process. They want to transfer Ijele now to Oka over the same list. Now, let me explain to you now. Ijele was held in Abuja. They arrested him in Abuja, kept him in Kuje prison. From Kuje prison, they now transferred him to Ikoyi prison. From Ikoyi prison to court in Lagos. From Lagos now, they want to take him to Oka. This is an abuse of judicial process. He has been granted bail. His international passport. His international passport is with the judiciary. So he's not running. He cannot run. All we are saying is please, Attorney General, please, Attorney General, release Ijele.
Ijele is our man.
He's sick.
APC, please help us. Ijele is our man, I beg.
Now beg with the beg.
We are the...
Okay, Gent. Ase na ekpa n'isi ka ị ga na mmụọ. We cannot continue in this path of pride and arrogance. These are the kind of people that has been misleading Ijele all this while. We have come to the point in Nigeria where we will continue to judge using our emotion and sentiment, and we cannot judge with our senses and tell people the truth. Nkwudolu kogo. Nkwudolu kogo. And na nkwudolu, you may kwudolu mad by telling that person the truth to avoid that fight. All these things would have simply been avoided. Nobru Nigerian where people na guide. I understand the fact that na roadway, but all these things are only if somebody, one of my friends, na my program. Only if one of my friends na my program, Tochku from Germany, where he was talking about saying that no, because na Femi Falana batara na kesi Spidaringen no nya batalo ejwe release mwejo ya juju na that program we say Oma lawyer do in charge of kesi Ijele. Only even juju that question so that you can confirm that not the same Femi Falana when you are in charge of kesi Ijele, and yet it has lasted for over 7 months. That is to show you what I was trying to tell him, that name with complexity is in law. Now, they were saying that na people know what they are supposed to do. That people came all out for solidarity. Look, I told him also, if people can go to the point of demonstrating, what else do you want? This issue of coming out to go and gather 1 or 2 people from the streets who doesn't even relate to Ijele or know anything about what Ijele is doing is not going to help us. Put pride and arrogance aside. Ipanisi bigger and more. Omuna all the while Ijele nande na Zion ministry, Ijele versus Zion ministry. Now people bring it themselves together, approach the Zion ministry, apologize to them on behalf of Ijele, get Ijele to humble himself and ask for simple apology for calling your fellow man Onyohi, Obumado, and everything when you know you don't have any proof. Isi anaha teba polo ye. Your hambagalo approach Zion legatin. They will approach Evangelist Ebukobi and his team. They will withdraw the case against Ijele. Ijele will walk away free if there is no complainant. Ononolo, Norona Jayike. Now my into Ogo on already. Feno. I am telling you people again. For the fact that Zion, a pipe will go low, Nife Basari Ijele because of his health. And somebody else has taken over that case. Stop pretending I'm claiming ignorance for the fact you don't know that name will another fresh Gwese Ijele Barone. Trying to constantly make it look like no, that it has something to do with the first arrest, Emily. You are misleading the people by telling them that now grant to get bail, why and they don't meet to go bail condition yet. Why can't they release him? You have failed to tell people that he is aimed for another charges and another Gwese. So why, since you people know the person who is holding him now, Kedife Patahanonaya approach Yonya for peace talk. For the sake of healthy Ijele that is deteriorating, for the sake of his mother, for the sake of the daughter, why can't you people approach the person which all of you know? And let us come out and say this now. Are you telling me that Nifeni na Ijele against that person, that it is right? Are you telling me that it is right? If you know that Nifo against that person, Wezoku, what is stopping him from providing evidence all this while? A very big lawyer in Nigeria. A very big lawyer in Nigeria now back here up. So we put that fact and figures. I don't think that he will still be there. For some of you that think that you can come to Facebook and say anything, then I draw a hang here no defamation. I hope you people are learning. I hope you people are learning. Because you think you can just come out and say anything against somebody, I draw you go take me to court, that it is defamation. Malono, okay, anamaganoke has Owuji. Anamaganoke and others Owuji. Wisdom is profitable to direct. Allow your wisdom to guide you. All this arrogant and the it cannot guide you. If you apply simple wisdom, you are going to stay in between the middle. What I go? Okari hetua. Approach Ijele program instead of running around and allowing that guy on native yanime bahono. What to say no pride on approach Ndenya Enweloku. Oh mother kana. There is no way you people can approach Ndenya Enweloku for peace and settlement. We where he should come down from all this pride and apologize. It will end all these things. He will walk away free and take care of himself. The daughter needs to be alive. The daughter needs to be alive, and according to Rodo TV, Mama needs to be alive. All this pride, arrogance, and the Danganina, but when you know that you don't have anything, you should not put anything since. Apologize to people gonna hang apologize, make a public apology. Show remorse. Show remorse. Show that you are sorry. Since you cannot prove, from the rule of law have been this. What difference does it make that allegation at the end of the day, if you cannot prove it, you are still going to prison? So whichever is the mirror had you wait to now. Either ways, at the end of the day, you are still going back to the same place. So why can't you avoid all those dramas and apologize? For the fact that now some people they don't even know AI and all this, they go that they don't even have any proof to back up if ever. But in on a Facebook, proof. You think that court process na ben na yoka na February court or Buffalo from Okunoka. Open look at very expensive. When you go to court, as lawyers, when you go to court, you will know a lot about Nigerian laws. And when complexities in law, I can't continue speaking English, which I don't even understand the meaning. And when you're in law, your good lawyer friend will tell you. Na case Ishi no dey to. No ya gbage. Mba do shot. More so if you don't have your freedom. More so, a lot of things happen behind the scene which you don't know. Ijele should just humble himself down for the sake of Ndi and for the sake of Nwanwan and for the sake of the mother and the rest of the family and ask for forgiveness. All these people not outside here. In water, their life will continue. Since they are still living their lives. They are almost forgetting you. So whose hero do you want to become? Whose hero do you want to become? When the people you want to show that you are a hero are no more even remembering you. They have moved on, even while they are not alive. Imagine what will happen now. They will move on and pretend like you never existed. You know what I go? They only made you a product of their saga. They only used you as an instrument. They only used you as a specimen for the practical, which has failed. It is time for you to get things right. The family of Ijele and the people who are concerned, if you call yourself his friend, this is the right time for you people to go for restitution. Let them forgive him. Let them forgive him, withdraw the charges and cases against him. Let him walk away free. Amanande ya gomi yeba, ya gomi. But before you gomi, malone yi na go for over 7 months. No more Iri Ji Yam Festivall. Malone yi na go na over 7 months. No more Iri Ji Yam Festivall. And na no more Iri Ji Yam Festivall. Na 7 months they enough for you. Ijele got yi. But for the fact that na Ijele got yi, and you have seen that things are going bad, this is the right time to use the only option which you people have neglected, which would have saved all this situation within the first month. It is time to apply wisdom. It is time to go for restitution. It is time to do the right thing. But when you start acting out of emotion, you will think that is why you are going to condemn the judgment here and uphold the same judgment the other side. It is because of emotion. Law other bank on sentiment and emotion. When you allege, you must prove. It is not even left for me to come and prove. When you are it is not even left for me allegedly to come and prove. It is you who allege that is going to prove. Then I will defend myself. Are you getting me? It is simple, dependent. So for those who are saying that defamation is a civil case, don't worry. Keep doing that. One day you will know that the solution now, which I am telling you people, is you people should go for restitution. Let him apologize to the people, Omejolo. Let him apologize to the people, Omejolo. It seems that this is the only way out. Looking at his health condition. You people, if you people like, you can disregard what I have said. It will not at the street of Abuja with Inda. It will not save you. It will not save you. It has proven that it will not save you. With people like Showole, Deji, Femi Falana, who are known for being human rights activists, who have been known by their activism for the past how many years, if they are involved in this case, and this case is still going the way it is going, I don't know what else you people want to see. There are more to this than meet the eyes. Apology is the best way. Restitution is the only option now. Eba ka mma apụ ka nnọrọzie siti ebe a. Shezie ndị ya gọm iyi. Daalụ.